Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. I'm here in my new Malaysia home where my grandma had got some contractors to come in with some materials that may not have been 100% perfect or up to standards that I would find acceptable. Not only that, but some of these things, like the sink here, have already started to rust. So I'm going to renew my sink today. Now I've got the water running here, and I'm just kind of flushing it out, getting rid of some of the ants that are all over the place here. This is a Scotch brite pad. It's not just a scrubby pad. This and this are not the same. This is just a plastic pad. This is a Scotch brite pad. This is emery paper. Now, this is supposed to be a stainless steel sink. It can also be aluminum. I'm pretty sure it's stainless steel. Now, if you have a rusty spot, like this spot here, you can hit it with the emery paper 80 grit and just lightly remove the rust spots. And they're vanishing just by applying a little light pressure with your thumb. Here's some rust spots here. Gone. There's a couple here. Gone. There's a couple in the back there. Gone. This side is looking pretty good, but this side has a lot of corrosion in it. So I'm just going to hit it lightly with the emery paper and get rid of as much of the rust as I can. Now, don't do this on your fixtures because you'll destroy the chrome on your fixtures. But you can do this on your sink. So, emery paper 80 grit. Then, if you want to polish it to a nice finish, you can use this. Now, you can use this with something like this. Okay. So this is kind of like a fine grit scrubbing chemical. So you can see that's what it looks like there. We call this Comet Cleaner where I come from in America. But it's dishwashing paste. That's what it's called here. So I'm just going to put that on my Scotch brite pad and just kind of go around. I'm going to use this to polish the surface that I just removed the rust from. Oh, look at that. Okay, that actually got some of that rust. That's great. And what it does do is it very lightly removes the corrosion. So these look like water stains, but at the time, the water must have been either somewhat acidic or somewhere on the base side of things and had eaten into the metal. So there's water stains in this sink. And I don't like sinks that have stains in them. I want a nice clean sink. So I'm just going to go around and hit everything with that dishwashing paste and the Scotch brite. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, after I turn this off, what the two sides look like. Now it's not going to be the greatest job in the world, but what it will show you is that you can bring to life an old junky sink. You know, a sink that you didn't think was all that nice. So I'm just going to go over it real quick. And I'm going to show you the stains on the left side, and I'm going to show you on the right side, and you'll see the difference. So now I'm going to give it a quick rinse. Now, I didn't get one spot in the back there, but I did a pretty good job. And you're going to see right away, like, wow, big difference. Okay, so now I'm going to put those spigots aside. I'm going to put this down, and I'm not even going to wipe it, I'm just going to show you. So I'm going to take the camera here and try not to drop it into the sink. All right, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Now, you can see that side, which is really kind of nice. And then this side here. Don't drop your camera into the sink. Now, can you see the water stains in that side of the sink? Can you see them all along here? You can remove all those water stains and make it look like that. That's what you want. That's kind of ugly. I mean, I can't rub that out. There's no way to rub that out. No way. But what you want is that. And you can achieve results like that by watching me, Christopher Thunder, from the world's dirtiest workshop. Thanks for watching. Bye.